Hello everyone, welcome to Jinghua Education. I'm Steven. In this video, we're going to talk about the polynomial tutorial part 1. Part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are in same unit. All of them is going to talk about how to do the expanding polynomial expressions. Okay, before we start, what is polynomial? So poly means multi, and then nomial means terms. What is terms? Terms is something multiplied together as 1. For example, ax squared is the term because a times x times another x, that's three things multiplied together. So we call them a term. So 1 plus ax squared is two terms here. We call these things binomial because this is one term, that is another term. Okay, these two terms are not in one because we're using plus to separate them. Only with multiply is called one term. Okay, good. Now let's see how to do these kind of questions here. Okay, so monomial times monomial will be the easiest. Mono means one, right? So we just one term. One term here, one term here. We just multiply them together, and that's it. How to do that? Just say 3 times 2 will be 6. Okay? There's nothing else. So x squared left, just x squared. Finished. Okay? So this one, looking for like term, right? So 3 looking for 2 is like terms. 5 looking for 7 is like terms. 5 times 7 equal to 35. X times x equal to x squared. Finished. Easy enough, right? Good. 6 times 3 will be 6 looking for 3, right? So 6 looking for 3 is 18. A looking for another a is a squared. And then there's no b here. B just left. Done. Okay. So if you have done my exponent tutorials, you will know these kind of questions actually is the 4 applied to power 2 and x applied to power 2 equal to 16x squared, right? Or you can thinking this is another way to do it. 4x squared equal to 4x over 4x. Okay, 4 times 4, looking for like term, right? 16. X times x is x squared. That's it. You're going to see it's exactly the same. You can use both way to do it. It's fine. Both fine. Okay, the last one, a little bit tricky. 2 times 3x times 5x. We have a monomials. So, doesn't matter. We're looking for like terms. 2 times 3 times 5 is how much? 2 times 3 is 6, times 5 is 30. And then x times x is x squared. And that's it. Okay, let's see next page. Monomial times the binomial. Okay, now we have a monomial times the binomial. So some students may be thinking, the first one is too easy. It's so boring. We don't want to learn these things. Actually, you will find out. Later, when we do trinomial times trinomial, and then like even more and more and more. So all based on these technologies. That is the basic of the basic. Please don't ignore that. Apply it. Practice it. Make sure you totally understand and master this part. That is very important in the future. Okay, now monomial times binomial. Okay, so monomial times binomial. So this is like one person. Okay, one nomial is like one person. So that is in a house or in a group. Okay, so you are alone visiting two peoples in the house. So you go to shake hand, right? So you shake hand with him and you shake hand with him, and that's it. Okay, you shake two hands. So that means it's a negative 2x times 3x, negative 2x times negative 1 as well. So let's expand this. It will be negative 2x times 3x, and then minus. This minus here, still here. Negative 2x times 1. Okay, if you like, you can say I always thinking this is what for the negative sign is on here, Or you're thinking I'm plus a -1, we can put -1 in here. Both is up to you, okay? Depend on which one you like. So you can learn exactly from my way. You can follow your teacher's way. It's okay as long as you're doing these things correctly. I don't care. Okay? So next one, like terms, right? So -2 times 3 is -6. X times x is x squared. Okay? So minus this -2 times 1 is -2. Don't forget the bracket, okay? X is left over here. So equal to -6x squared. Negative will be positive 2x. And done. Okay? Good. Easy enough. Next one. So applying -8 to a and then applying -8 to ab will be -8a times a and then minus -8a times negative ab, positive ab, sorry. Okay? Okay. So that's -a times a squared, -a squared. Okay? Minus here, ab here, right? So -8 will be -8. Don't forget the bracket. A, looking for a, will be a squared, and then b here. Okay? Will be -a squared plus negative become plus 8a squared b. Finished. Now you're expanding it. Make sense? All right. So next one, x squared. So x squared times x squared. Okay, minus 4 times x squared equal to x squared, power of power, multiply power equal to power add up equal to 4, right? And then minus 4x squared. Okay, good. The next one is 3x squared. Okay, the square is outside, so we're using the exponent rule. Exponent tutorials, if you haven't checked it out, please go to make sure you watch that video as well. So otherwise it's pretty hard to follow here. 2 apply to 3, 2 apply to x will be 9x squared, and then 2x minus 1. Okay, so equal to, this is 2 to the 3 will be 9, 2 to the x will be x squared, and then 9x squared 2x minus 9x squared, don't forget the bracket, times 1. Okay, and then equal to, that's 18x cubed, and then minus 9x squared. That's it. Okay, so some of them you may think this question is very simple. Okay, I know you think it's very simple. That's good for you. Okay, this tutorial is for a student. It's a very weak background. They don't know what to do, and then they don't know how to follow them in. Okay, so if you already know this and know these things, okay, make sure you can master it. You can do it 100% right. Okay, if you cannot do it 100% right, please watch these videos, and then if you have any questions, please comment below. I will answer your question in my next video. All right, thank you for watching.